welcome back to another video. It's been a while, but finally here with another video, and today I am going to be unboxing the premium Jeffree Star mystery box. It came in this morning and I didn't know when it was going to come in, so I wasn't planning on doing anything today, but now that I have it, I'm going to do an unboxing of everything I got, and I haven't opened it yet, so we can get started. So the first thing I see are these stickers, and I actually think they're really cute. There's Blue Blooded, Frosty, a lipstick, Blend B, and Jeffree Star approved, and it says hi, how are you? Like, I think these are really cute, and I think people are getting upset because of these stickers, but I actually think there's something that's really cute. Then inside is Skin Frost. It's one of his highlighters in Ice Cold. Oh, it's reflective. In Ice Cold. That's the shade. So I think I have one of these highlighters, and it's in Sarcophagus, and it's a really cute color. So is the Skin Frost Ice Cold. I'm just gonna swatch it. I'm not that good at swatching, so I try my best, but this is Ice Cold, and it's really cute. I like this a lot. Next we have this. I'm pretty sure it's an eyeshadow palette. I don't know which one yet. I'm having a feeling it's Blue Blood. I mean, if you can't tell, I was gonna it's Blue Blood, but so I'm gonna open it. I really like the wrapping paper. Like, it's not, is it my first? Yeah, this is my first package from Jeffree Star, and I was like, everything's like completely like shocking to me, like how much detail he puts into everything. Like, so I am right, it is Blue Blood, and I actually was gonna order this for when he had his Black Friday sale, and I'm actually kind of glad I didn't, because I mean, I ended up getting it. So Blue Blood, I'm just feeling it, like the quality feels really good. Wow, I am shooketh. Like, obviously you guys have seen Blue Blood, but like, this is my first time seeing it like my own, like in person. It's like the quality of the box, you could tell, is really good. And then it has a nice big mirror on it. And the eyeshadows are really pretty colors, and I'm pretty sure the pigments are good. Well, of course, it's Jeffree Star, so of course the pigments are good. But Blue Blood, wow, this is really nice. And then the last two items in the premium winter mystery box are two velour liquid lipsticks, and this is the mystery one, and it has like that on it. I'm feeling the mystery color is red just because of the red labeling on it on this part. And then this other shade is Mermaid Blood, and it's a blue color. Not really my shade, but not really my type of color. Like, I wouldn't wear bold colors like this, but I'm still definitely gonna keep it. I mean, it's Jeffree Star liquid lipstick, so these are my first velour liquid lipsticks from him, and it's a really nice color. It's like a dark shade of blue, and I wouldn't wear it, but it's still a really nice shade. Maybe it'll come into use somewhere in the future, just somewhere along the way I'll probably use it. The mystery velour liquid lip shade, let's open it up. It was red. The color for it is red, and it is a nice shiny red lipstick. I'm gonna swatch it. Hopefully I swatch it good. It almost looks like it has a shine to it, like a glitter shine. I don't know how to swatch. Guys, I tried again swatching it as best as I can, but this is the mystery shade for the velour liquid lipstick in the winter premium box. And the camera, the lighting, but I actually think it's a really nice shade, and it definitely does go with this winter season, Christmas. Red is a very bold color for me, but I don't really wear reds. I usually wear like more neutral colors, but I still like how reds look on me. I just never like really wear them, but I probably will definitely be wearing that for Christmas. It's a beautiful shade, and this is again the shade. I don't think it has a name to it. It just has like a stocking with the question mark on it. These are the 4 items that I got: the Skin Frost Ice Cold Blue Blood, and then these 2 Velour liquid lip shades. And I am actually like very happy with my purchase. And then plus the stickers. I actually really like these stickers, and I am like happy with my purchase. Like, I'm happy with everything, and I really liked it a lot. I will be doing an eyeshadow look with Blue Blood, and definitely be using Ice Cold, the highlighter, because it's nice. So I will be doing a makeup look with Blue Blood on my makeup page sometime within a week, so be sure to follow it on Insta. Link will be down in the description. So that's it for today. I just did the quick unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and then comment if you got it as well and what you got. I don't know if all the items are same. I don't really know how it works, but I'm really happy with my purchase, and tune in for the next video. Bye.